Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show Instagram message failed to send problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management, click on app list, search or find out Instagram app, click on Instagram, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Instagram. Update Instagram app. Now go to Instagram. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.